Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can use the dynamic radar cruise control on your Toyota Corolla. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, in order to be able to change the settings of your cruise control, you need to access the settings menu on your steering wheel screen. In order to be able to do that, go ahead and click on these arrow buttons in order to navigate in your menu. Go ahead and click on the right arrow, and as you can see guys, here you're going to be able to switch menus. So just search and look for settings, and then once you're here in the settings, you're going to find LTA, PCA. Here you're going to find RSA, and then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find DRCC, and basically this is the option we're looking for. This means dynamic radar cruise control. So it's already activated in my car, but if you find it deactivated like this, just go ahead and click on the OK button here, and then once you click on it, it's going to be switched to activated, as you can see right here, and you're gonna have this option enabled. So if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you guys in the next video.